Hey everyone, I'm Eric, and in this tutorial, we're going to go over how to access your live report from your Twitter Spaces, and also what's in the live report, all the details. So first off, you're going to go into the CollabHub, so collabhub.web3m.io, sign up or sign in, and then you're going to go to the top right and go to Dashboard. After you've gotten into the dashboard, there's going to be a set of buttons on the top left. You're going to go to My Spaces. So first off, this is where all of your spaces that you create will be on the dashboard. So if you create a space, this is where it'll be listed. So you can see it, you can edit it, you can delete it, manage speakers, do whatever you want because it's your space that you are organizing and creating. So to do that, this will play into getting the live report. Okay, so in order to get the live report, you must create a space in the platform. So first off, create a new space and space event link. This is where you're going to copy and paste the link associated with your space itself. So whenever you create the space, the topic, the time, and everything, you get a chance to share that space link. This is exactly where you put it, input all this information, and then you can publish it for other people to join the space. So open slot here, you can put the amount of slots that you want to allow somebody to join. But if you don't want anybody to join and you just want to get the analytics live report, then you just unpublish it and then create the space. All right. So if you don't have the Twitter Space link yet, you can go back in here to the space that you just created, edit it, input it, and this is where you input it here, host URL. Okay. So that's how our platform knows where to go to get the analytics for the live report. So after your space, the live report will be uploaded into Spaces results that I just clicked on. So just for an example, we're going to go in here and we're just going to click on one, see results. So once your space is over, we'll automatically input this into your account so you can utilize it whenever you want. And so here is some of the analytics that are tied to the live report. So you can see all the niche duration, host, speakers, listeners, average salary, listeners amount during the space. So this is how many listeners. So you can see the graph, which is really, really cool. You can go back. One of the cool features that I would say that you could do is you could go back to this 30-minute mark, see what you guys are talking about. That really boosted a lot of interest. And so did this 60-minute, interval right here. So I would jump back in here and I would look at that. That would be some good information to kind of build off of. So different listeners, figuring out, where your listeners are, get an audio stream. You can download this as an mp3. So you can change it. You can use that in whatever you want. The speakers, all the listeners, you can filter out, by different filters. We're changing the filters all the time. And so there will be a lot of new features that come with this in the future. So we're really excited to roll updates and give you more resources for the live report. So always stay updated, and thanks for watching. And if you have any questions at all, go into the community right here and ask any question. We're always there to help. All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.